Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to remove the grid lines or these borders here from your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. The first thing that you have to do is to open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. There is two ways to hide or to remove your grid lines, either by formatting your sheets. So all you have to do is select your whole sheet by clicking here on this corner between first row and between or in the intersection of the first row and the columns. So we will click here. Here we will add some borders. As you can see, we will add borders like that. But let's add them in the white color so it will be empty. It will show that it will be like that we do not have any grid lines. Or there is another method by going to modifying the view or the view options in your spreadsheet. So all we have is to search a view menu that we will find here in this ribbon here. As you can see, it is the third one. It is called the view tab or the view menu. And here, the first option or the first check or menu, we will find the grid lines. So all you have is, as you can see, there is a tick here. So all we have to do is to click again on it. So it will be deselected. As you can see now, our spreadsheet or is totally empty and it does not contain any grid lines, even if I select anything, any row or any column. So this is how you hide or remove your grid lines from your sheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.